Namaskar, Radhe Radhe. What do you feel when you have seen everything has gone or lost in your life, from your life? Maybe easily one can say they feel hopeless, they feel insecure, and they just finished their life. Normally, and people used to say this word because it is a general word. But the other side is also there. And what is the other side? Other side is you can live your life with bliss and blessings. Blessing means you only do your efforts in those ways where one can feel peaceness from you. By seeing your vision or face, they feel so reliable and helpful. In life, everything is not going to happen according to our ways, according to our desires. We are not the creator, we are only the beings. The human beings, which is derived by the Lord's compassion. And one thing is very important, our life is our making. Here, God is not responsible. Other is not responsible. If anyone is responsible, then we are. We are the reason. We are only affected by our own thoughts, vision, and experiences from life. Maybe for the first sight, we feel like inspiration and like very reliable one thing which is going to happen in our life. And other side, we see the negative phase of their form. What is this? This is the experience. Yes, one time if you do anything wrong, if you do anything like fault in your life, you are not like inferior. You are not, can say, those human beings which has not the power of or possibility of being successful. Don't think like that, because one fault not makes you demoralized or makes you down in your life. Life has infinite chances. Here, needs of our sight, needs of our vision to have them, to understand those of chances from our life. And there, our vision is the real reason for understanding the life. Maybe if we are doing wrong, we are punished, then life is not finished. Because life gives us the another chance for understanding the life, for realizing our fault, where we were wrong and what we have to do, what we should do. And if we are doing, then we can say the life real reason, real inspiration is near us, is near to us and makes us feel worthy and can say powerful. Yes, we are real reason. When we feel powerful in ourselves, when we feel worthy and confidence in ourselves. This is maybe for hearing it is very hard, but reality is when we are helpful, when we think good for others, then we feel bliss in ourselves, then we feel peace in ourselves. But in opposite way, maybe how much we try, we can't feel reliable in our mind. So try to think good for others first. Yes, it is hard, but not impossible. We can do it. And if we are doing it, not we are helping them, not we are doing good for them, actually we are doing good for us, because our life are making. If someone says that we are alone, what is meant by alone? Sun is alone, moon is alone, stars can say not alone. But if we talk about the single star, but single star shines for their vision, for their reflections, and gives us the real smile, real peaceness inside our soul. So if one can say that we are alone, how we can do anything according to our desire? This is wrong. They can do according to their desires. because not here the meaning of desire, fulfilling the desire, you do fight, you do quarrel with anybody. There you are wrong. If you are doing in those way, if you want to fulfill your desire, keep faith in nature, keep faith in yourself, your honesty first, your good karma, then you can have everything in your life. Don't think in yourself that you are demoralized, you are inferior in your life, you are loser in your life, because every loser has the power for creating the world. Like the example is Albert Einstein. In India, our Tenali Rama, Tulsidas, everybody, many of them. Yes, because if we have taken the lesson and inspiration from them, then they just live inside our soul, inside our heart. Nearby, we can understand good things when we have the power for having them, for realizing them. Nobody can say that you can do if anything that is very easy, very humble. No one can say, because you are doing if your hard work, it is your hard means not to say for doing them like hard way. Hard means your efforts in very, can say, hardest way. Hard means you are doing too much, your sincerity, your honesty for them, you have given actually everything for them. This kinds of hard work can say. So nearby, you can reflect your thinking such a way where you can find real peace. Try to observe the reality of life. Try to understand the eternity's power. Not every time think that you are inferior, you can't do anything, you are alone. Many kinds of negativity. Don't think, because your mind is the real reason for making your vision. Your mind only, no one. Means another point is, if you have the positive flame in your vision, then you can see everything in positive way. You can realize that yes, in your universe we are surrounded by only the positive things. Where is the negativity? You can think in way, in the same way. So first of all, you understand the power of your vision, then you will realize the life's vision, the life's importance in your life. Our life, our making. I hope all of you feel the life's real source, real inspiration in many different ways in your life. Sometimes it is very hard, sometimes it is very reliable. They are the phase of life. Here we have to understand only with our sincerity and honesty. Radhe Radhe, Hare Krishna.